Your BMW features a Vehicle Integrated Owner's Handbook. The Integrated Owner's Handbook is particularly user-friendly and operates with the iDrive system. You can find the Owner's Handbook by going to Car, Owner's Handbook. Here you can search for a keyword or by picture. One of the advantages of the Integrated Owner's Handbook is that it shows you your vehicle's specific equipment, whereas the printed version contains all possible vehicle equipment. If your vehicle is equipped with the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, you can also ask for the topic.
Hey BMW, what is the Avoidance Assistant?
And the respective chapter of the Owner's Handbook will be opened.
Avoidance Assistant.
Some functions of the vehicle, for example, driver assistance systems, are additionally explained with the help of videos. The Owner's Handbook in your iDrive system includes additional information for navigation, entertainment, and communication. The Owner's Handbook is also available as the Driver's Guide app for your smartphone. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.